Hello everyone, I am Prem Sirvi and you are watching Iduna in English, and today's we are going to discuss a topic that on the mind of every engineering aspirant. Engineering in India is a vast field and every student wonders which college would be the best for them. Today we specially talked about the top private engineering colleges in India. I know you are watching this video because you are trying to find the perfect college for your future, and trust me, this video is the perfect guide for you. First of all, let's understand what factors you should consider while choosing a private engineering college. The most important thing is placement record. You should check the placement percentage and the major recruiters that visit the campus. Second, infrastructure is a key. In today's world, engineering colleges need to have a modern technologies and labs to provide the best learning environment. And last but not the least, the faculty is crucial. Great professors will provide you with a practical knowledge you need for your future career. So the first name on our list is Shiv Nadar University. This college is quite famous for its academic excellence and innovative approach. Located in Greater Noida, this university is very dynamic and its curriculum is highly industry oriented. Basically, it prefers you with the skill needed for the latest technology advancement. The faculty here is filled with industry experts who know what's happening in the real world. If you are interested in field like computer science, AI or data science, this is a great college to consider. The campus here is also fantastic for students at Shiv Nadar University participate in academic competitions and are very active in entrepreneurship and research projects. And when we talk about placements, the top recruiters includes Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and many others. The university offers you the global perspective and works to prepare you for the international job market. The next, let's talk about BITS Pilani, which is a brand in itself. If you are looking to make a name in the world of engineering, BITS Pilani is a dream college for many. This college is one of the best private engineering institutions in India. The reputation of BITS Pilani is global, and the best part is that their curriculum is extremely flexible. You can choose courses based on your interest, which is great for students who want to specialize in specific fields. This college is also known for its focus on research and innovation. If you want to be at the forefront of the latest technologies and trends, BITS Pilani is the place for you. And placements, well, BITS Pilani is a different level. Companies like Facebook, Google, Microsoft and Qualcomm recruit their students, and the alumni network here is also very strong, and they provide tremendous support to students in terms of career guidance and opportunities. Now let's talk about another very famous private engineering college, Manipal Institute of Technology, means MIT. This college is a part of Manipal University and is well known for its infrastructure, world-class facilities and amazing faculties. If you want a vibrant campus life, Manipal offers an experience that truly unique. Manipal campus is absolutely beautiful, and this college offers student exchange programs so you can collaborate with global universities and exposure to international academic standards. When it comes to placement, MIT has a great record. Top companies like Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, Samsung, Accenture and Cognizant frequently visit the campus. Not to mention, there is a plenty of excellent internship opportunities that will help you enhance your skill set. So friends, when it comes to choosing an engineering college, always remember the most important factor is research. If you are simply going to ranks, you might make a wrong choice. Every student has a different career goal, so you need to pick a college that aligns with your interest. For instance, if you are passionate about software development, choose a college that focus on computer science and software engineering. If you are interested in research, look for colleges that offers extensive research projects and internships. Another factor is consider is the college environment. Choose a college that fosters an innovative and collaborative culture. You can gather all the information from a college's website, student review, alumni feedback, and even through campus visits. So friends, these were some of the top private engineering colleges in India that you should definitely consider for your future. If you want to know more about any specific college, feel free to drop any questions in the comment below, and I will try my best to answer each one of them. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. And if you want more videos like this, press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.